Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a pie on M1 Finance. First, log into your M1 Finance account and navigate to the Invest tab. Here, you'll find the option to create a new pie. A pie is essentially a custom portfolio of investments, allowing you to allocate specific percentages to different stocks or ETFs. This structure helps you manage your investments efficiently according to your financial goals and risk appetite. Let's get started. Now that you've started your pie, it's time to add slices. Each slice represents an investment, which can be an individual stock or an exchange-traded fund. You'll assign a percentage to each slice, ensuring the total allocation for your pie adds up to 100%. For example, you might allocate 25% to a tech ETF and 75% to a growth stock. Take your time to select investments that fit your strategy. With your slices chosen, review your pie's overall allocation. You can easily adjust percentages for each slice until you're satisfied with the balance. Once your pie is set, you'll need to fund it. You can make a one-time deposit or set up recurring automatic transfers, which is a great way to consistently grow your investments. M1 Finance then handles the buying and selling to keep your pie balanced according to your chosen percentages. After your pie is active, it's important to monitor its performance periodically. Market conditions and your personal financial goals may change, so don't hesitate to adjust your pie by adding new slices or reallocating existing ones. This flexibility ensures your investments continue to work for you. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Keeping an eye on your pie helps you stay on track towards your long-term financial success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.